If you want to start with game dev but you have never programmed before, don't pick an engine first. Start with this instead. The easiest way to start with game dev is to learn a bit of C#. Not advanced stuff, just the basics. Variables, if statements, loops, functions and how classes work. These few things will make everything in game dev so much easier. Before you jump into a game engine, build tiny console projects, a calculator, a number guessing game, or an escape room. Anything small. This teaches you how code behaves without overwhelming you with engine features. Once you understand the basics, then pick an engine. Unity, Godot, Unreal, it doesn't matter. You will learn way faster because you already understand what the code is doing.
Nice.
Now make a tiny game, not your dream RPG. Something simple like Pong, Flappy Bird or a small platformer. The goal isn't to make something perfect, the goal is to finish something, like this video. Follow one tutorial, but don't just copy it. Change one thing. Add a new mechanic, tweak the movement or create your own enemy. That's where the real learning happens. And finally, finish small projects. Finishing teach you more than starting big ideas you will never complete. Small wins build real skills. Start with the basics, build tiny things and grow from there. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really supports the channel. And if you want more beginner game dev tips, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.